For you.
Hello, my name is Damian. I'm a third year medical student here, and I'm here to show you this uni. So now we're in one of the clinical laboratories in Alte. Now these laboratories are mainly used by people in years 1 and 2 during their pre-clinical years before they go to Baccarat Hospital in years 3, 4, 5, 6, where they do their clinical years. And this room is basically mainly used for the theory. And as we see behind me, there's a lesson going on right now, so let's move somewhere else.
How to get it back.
So this is the dentistry room, where the dentistry students come in to use their theoretical knowledge in a practical way. And as you see behind me, this is a very modern and well-equipped room. As you see here, we have many figures for them to use, including this one here. So this is the simulation hospital where students come in and really get a hands-on experience with practical dummies so that they can further their knowledge in the medical field. So this is the OSCE exam center where students like me come in to take our exams, and where we are observed by official observers to test that we know our field practical knowledge and skills. So this is the school laboratory where we come in here and do experiments. We also use this place to look at histological slides of human body tissue using our state-of-the-art microscopes.
How to get it back.
So aside from our academic side of school, we always have a canteen where students can come here to relax and enjoy our lovely variety of food options here. Thank you for joining me on a tour of Alte University. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed it. And if you would like to see more of Tbilisi, make sure you check out our other YouTube videos.